इसको वोट डालने का फलियो अरे इनकी वो बाबू
Please come out. Operate media. Media, please come out. Ma'am, what is this? What is this?
I'm just showing how the ink has to dry. Otherwise, what happens?
Vaseline will be used.
Sir, please open it. I only have to tell to all the voters that it is the responsibility of the citizen that they need to go out and vote with us. The vote brings two changes. One, a new change and development towards themselves and their families. Another one is it gives an opportunity to change the lives of downtrodden, the lives of Dalits, the lives of poor, and the lives of those every old-aged individuals, people who have been abandoned. So the vote is the most, I would say, precious social work, along with a selfish desire to move on towards the development. So I would say, you may not have money, but if you have vote, then you have contributed to the nation to go towards Vikasat Bharat. And the best thing that all of you understand is, सबका साथ में ही विकास है, अलग-अलग जिले में विकास नहीं. అలా ఎందుకు అనుకోవాలి? ఎందుకు ఎక్కడ ఉన్నా కూడా నా ఓటుని నేను వినియోగించుకునే ఒక ఆలోచన నాలో ఉండాలి, ఆ బాధ్యత నాలో ఉండాలి. నేను ఇంత దూరం వచ్చి ఓటు వేసి నా కాన్స్టిట్యుయెన్సీకి వెళుతున్నాను అని అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్క అభ్యర్థి కూడా ఎక్కడ ఉన్నా ఆ ఓటు అక్కడ వేసి వాళ్ళ పనులకు వాళ్ళ బాధ్యతలకు ముందు